Are you looking for a car with a fuel-efficient engine without compromising the power? Or maybe a car with a wide leg room and enough storage or space for your luggage? Hi, I'm Jeremy and welcome to Mitsubishi Motors Jose Abad Santos. Let me show more you about our Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLX. It has 1.2-liter 3-in-line DOHC Euro 4 MyVec engine with 22.8 kilometers per liter fuel efficient. It also comes with 7-inch monitor with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, plus the Calsonic Super Cool air conditioning system. 450 liters trunk capacity. It also comes with 15-inch alloy wheels. Our promo starts at 0 down payment or free 2 months amortization with 5 years extended warranty. If you want to know more about our vehicles promos, you can call or text me at 0921-493-8447 or just kindly hit the message button. Ciao!
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Jeremy Villanueva from Mitsubishi Abad Santos. Ito po ang ating bagong client, si Engineer Luisa Luciano de Jesus. Kamusta naman po?
Sir, maraming salamat sa assistance na ginawa niyo sa amin para sa pagkuha ng music. Actually, lahat ng assistant ginawa niya dahil may mga part na hindi ko talaga nagtutulong-contact sa ako. Hindi ako talaga makasagot agad. Gabi lang kami na ako ano yung mga follow-up, ng mga requirements. Thank you sir, long patient. Yun lang.
Thank you din po ma'am. Enjoy your new car. Thank you.
Thank you.